Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me this beautiful scarf. This is a Plum Feathers dark green scarf that I think has been such a good purchase, not only because it's so easy for me to take it wherever I go, but it's also so beautiful, and I find that the quality and the material is so great. As you can see, this here, it doesn't look worn out at all. I've had this for quite some time and it looks practically new. So pretty. And I love that I can use it in so many practical ways, even as a pashmina, if I want to just wrap it around like this. So pretty. You can see that nice sheen effect as well. So nice. So if you're looking for a scarf either for yourself or to gift, I would recommend this one here. I have really loved using it, and that's my point of view.